In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import in WordPress. If you're new to WordPress or looking to bring content from another site, importing can be a really powerful tool. So, let's dive into the process and I'll guide you step by step. To get started, you're going to need to navigate over to wordpress.com. If you haven't already, log in with your WordPress credentials. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll spot a menu with several options. One of these options is labeled Tools. Clicking on Tools will expand a sub-menu with additional features. It's here where you can find the Import option. Go ahead and click on Import. Now, with the Import section open, you'll see several content import options displayed. Today, we're focusing on importing content specifically from another WordPress site, so look for the WordPress import option and click on it. What this essentially does is prepare your site to accept content that's formatted for WordPress. The next part is crucial yet straightforward. You'll see an option labeled Import Content Only. Select this option if you're looking to solely bring over posts, pages, and media from your existing WordPress site to the new one. This is particularly useful if you're migrating content without changing your existing WordPress theme or settings. Once you've selected to import content, it's time to choose the files you wish to import. You'll notice an area that says Drag a file here or Click to upload a file. For this, you need to have your exported WordPress files ready. Hopefully, you exported them from your previous site using WordPress's built-in export tool. Either drag your files into this area or click the section to open a file browser to locate them on your system manually. Let the upload process run its course. Depending on the size of your files, this could take some time, so be patient. These steps encapsulate the process of importing your content into WordPress. Remember to frequently check your newly imported content for accuracy. See if your pages, posts, and media are appearing as they should in your WordPress dashboard. Some fine-tuning might be necessary, but you've successfully completed one of the more intricate parts of setting up your WordPress site. By following this approach, you ensure that your content transitions smoothly, maintaining the structure and layout that you've come to work with on your original site. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your WordPress journey.